In this section I'd like to cover LetMeType, which is a word prediction program, and it's also very flexible as you can add multiple lexicons to the program. So it runs from MyStudyBar. I'm just going to get started. And when it appears, it's essentially just an empty dialog box, and what we're going to do is we're going to add a lexicon to the box. So before I do that, I need to go into the settings. You can see the settings here, and I want it to learn words, and I want it to learn words from the clipboard. But of course this could be anything. It could be from Wikipedia, from any other web page. I'm just copying and pasting it into the box from Notepad. So you can see once that text is in there, I can then go back into and uncheck learn words, because I'm going to be doing some typing later on and I don't want it to learn any typing mistakes or spelling mistakes. So you can either have that on or off. I'm also going to change the background colour of my prediction box, which you'll see shortly, and also make sure that the fonts are nice and large. I've got Comic Sans here set at number 20. I'm going to put it up to 22, and you'll see when I start typing how large that is on the background. One final thing, I'm just going to go into File and into the settings. There's two settings now, so one under the File, and I'm going to decrease the number of characters, so when I type it will start predicting on the first character. You can also set it to follow the caret, have it fixed, but I'll demonstrate that later, and I'm just going to set it so it predicts with one word only. So as I start typing, I start in R, and you can see it's beginning to predict those words, so I can either just click onto the box or type in the number which is relevant to the word. So I'm just going to do some random words here just to show you how good it is, and I'm moving that the prediction box, and it's asking me where I want it. I'm just going to add a fixed position so I can keep it there. But you can place it really wherever you want, or have it following the cursor. So you can see it's quite powerful. And the great thing about it is that you can set up the various lexicons. So you can have one lexicon for research, as I've got here, one if you're maybe working on a project with younger children on the Romans. If you're doing something a bit more basic, you could cut that lexicon down quite small so you can just learn some introductory words. Once you're happy with that, you can save the lexicon into LetMeType. I'll just save that, give it a name, and there we are. So LetMeType, I think you will agree, is a very powerful program and should benefit many learners.